Today video is about half adder. Half adder is a logic circuit that adds 2 bits and give the results on output lines as sum and carry. Let A and B are the inputs and sum and carry are the outputs. Since A and B can take values like 0 or 1, the total number of possible output combinations are 4. That is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. This is the circuit diagram of half adder. Here, the combination of XOR and AND results the half adder. Here, the input lines A and B are given to the XOR and the resultant is sum. When the same A and B input lines are given to the carry, the output resultant is AND gate execution. So here we can see the outputs. Now let's see the execution of the program. Go to the iCarriers and open bin code. So we are opening the existing file, and here you can see the program. So program module, this is the module definition. Here first we have to assign, or we have to give the first input, second input, sum as output, carry as output. This is the declaration and functionality of inputs and outputs. Here let assign the sum equals to A XOR B and carry equals to A and B. By this, the module definition is ended. This is the test bench. Here we use the rig, that is register, and while. Register is used to store the output permanently, and while is used to see output, that will store the data for temporarily. Now let's instant the half adder module with half adder DUT, that is device under test. So like this we are going to instant the main program with main program into the test bench. Now let's test all the possible input combinations. So for this we have to start with initial begin. So these are the all possible inputs and with time delay with nanoseconds. So here we can see the dump file and dump wires. This is used to see the GTK waves and see the outputs virtually in graph form. Now let's go and see the output. Here we have to use the command prompt to see the output. This is the output where we can see our inputs execution. So for this we have to use the instruction iverilog a object name to see the output. That here we have to it as test and the file name. Here we find no errors, so the next step is proceeded. So for here to see the output, we have to use the instruction BVP and the object name to see the output. This is the output for half adder. Now let's see the GTK waves. Here the instruction to see the GTK waves is place the name GTK wave and write the test bench name which you have given and give the instruction VCD. This is the GTK waves. So for this we have to go here and click, thereby we can see all the inputs and outputs. This must be inserted, insert, carry, insert, sum, insert, and these are the all outputs. Thank you.